They don't say congratulations, boy, you know they want that shit. I ain't even gonna get mad. All your black or rich. Hey, bro, low-key, that trend got your boy in the chokehold. I ain't gonna cap. Hey, look, bro. This ain't one of those, I just built this yesterday, now I'm an expert type of videos. You feel what I'm saying? Nah, bro. Your boy has been in the trenches with this gaming PC, fam. I didn't gamed on it. I didn't edited on it. I didn't multitask on it, bro. I didn't had 37 Chrome tabs open while rendering a 4K video just to see if this shit was gonna flinch, bro. Spoiler alert. It didn't. So yeah, this is my review, bro. And I ain't talking about straight out of the box review. I'm talking about after all the updates, bro. After all those why the fuck ain't this working moments. You feel what I'm saying? Like, hey, bro. Like, hey. Damn, bro, I built this. I literally built this PC, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, man. I be staring at it all the time, thinking to myself like, damn. I really built that, bro. That is a good looking ass PC, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Like, low key, I should print a picture off and hang it somewhere up on this wall, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, dead ass. That's how much I love this PC build, bro. Like, it just do something to it. When you build your own shit, bro, it kind of do something to you and make you feel like, damn. Like, I love this PC, bro. Ain't nothing nobody can tell me that's gonna tell me otherwise or make me think otherwise. You feel what I'm saying? Like, bro, my shit fire, bro. I got the best PC out there on YouTube. I don't care what nobody say, bro. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the review, okay? Right now, as this thing sits on my desk looking so beautiful, the state that it's in right now, it ain't nothing but a basic computer, bro. And when I say basic, I'm talking about you log in, you open up a Chrome tab, you surf through Amazon, you surf the web, you type up a to-do list, you do your basic stuff that you would do every day on a computer. We've all done that before, we all know it. Basic task is killing it, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Like, low-key, your grandma can hop on this thing, make a to-do list, and still have time to get back to that banana bread that she been making from scratch. You feel what I'm saying? But with all that basicness, bro, that ain't nothing but just a mask. Underneath, this thing built different, bro. Like, it's really built different, cuz, you know what I'm saying? Like, the moment I fire up a game or start editing one of these 4K videos, bro, that's when that's when this computer starts to change, bro. Like, hey, I did the damn thing on this, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. But I'm gonna start with the editing, bro, because before I gotta turn on any type of game, I need to make sure this bad boy can handle that 4K editing work, because that's like my main shit. You feel what I'm saying? Like, if I can't edit a video and upload for y'all, then it ain't it, bro. So we gonna talk about that editing first. Then we gonna get to that gaming. I done edited 3 full 4K videos on this machine, bro. Actually, the last few videos I done uploaded on my YouTube channel has came from this PC, bro. And let me tell you, that shit was smooth, no lag, no drama, no stuttering, no nothing. I was able to put the footage in the timeline, cut it up, add some overlay effects, maybe some color correction, some transitions, and boom, handled it with ease, bro. And I shit you not, bro. Them 4K videos was like 8 to 10 minutes long and rendered in like 2 minutes, bro. I promise you, like 2 minutes, if that, maybe 3, if that, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Now, my edits ain't no crazy cinematic masterpiece or nothing like that. I just got a basic edit that's pretty clean. You feel what I'm saying? Like, if you like this video, y'all think that's clean, then this editing style is super easy to do on this PC using DaVinci Resolve, bro. You feel what I'm saying? So yes, this does render a video fairly quick, bro. In my opinion, 2 to 3 minutes is quick enough for me. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna insert like a clip, or I'm gonna just show y'all how quick, like one of my style videos. I'm gonna just show y'all what my editing process look like when it's complete and how quick that shit renders. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, overall, DaVinci Resolve on this build handled it like Kyrie Irving in a pickup game against your grandpa's little cousin, bro. If you know, you know. Now for the moment that y'all all been waiting for, bro. The gaming. How's the gaming? Let me tell you, PC gaming has been a game changer for me, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I got a 5070 Ti. People was talking about that 5070 Ti graphics card is gonna be a 1440p monster, which it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm cool with 1440p. You know, I was saying like, all right, I'm gonna be doing some 1440p gaming. Bruh, I've been playing Red Dead Redemption 2 on 4K ultra settings, bro, and this is the most beautiful game I done ever laid my eyes on, bro. Like, dead ass, bro. And I've been getting anything between 80 to 117 frames per second, bro. And I know you hardcore PC heads is gonna be like 80 to 117 frames per second. Bruh, that's mid. Nah, my boy, I'm coming from a console. That shit is gas. You feel what I'm saying, bro? Like, it looks so incredible, bro. And I'm not even trying to on console, bro. Like, console looks good, but PC looks gooder, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Like, damn, why ain't nobody tell me this? I've been missing out for so long, bro. Like, bro, even Fortnite look good. The movements is smoother. The colors is popping. I'm like, damn. And do not even get me started on Schedule 1, bro. Like, that game done had me in a chokehold. And it's like a mixture between The Sims and South Park, bro. And even that game is just crispy, bro. Like, when I'm talking about, I know y'all hear me, bro. I'm saying crispy, like there's not a pixel out of place. Like, the game is so crispy, bro. Like, I can't believe it took me this long to get a PC, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, I used to hate on PC. I used to be like, bro, I'm not spending that much money to play no game. Bullshit, bro. Hey, I'm a fan, bro. I'm definitely a fan, bro. I never thought that I would be wanting to play my PC over my PS5, dead ass, fam. And I don't even have a 4K monitor. Like, I can only imagine what this gaming would look like if it was OLED, cuz. Like, bro, I'm blown away. I'm blown away. Now, the only drawback, though, like, there is a minor drawback, bro, and that is that keyboard and mouse, cuz. I can't get with it. Like, I be trying to, bro, but it's so weird. Now, I'm not finna give it up. I'm gonna learn, but in the meantime, I'm learning. I'm gonna be hooking my controller up to it, but I'm still gonna be trying to learn, bro. But that keyboard and mouse, bro, is a weird combination, though. So kudos to anybody who be out there wrecking shit with that keyboard and mouse. Now, mind you, once I learn it, I can see how fun it can get. But right now, bro, it is a struggle for me. Like, I can't get with the keyboard and mouse at the moment. And that is my only drawback. So yeah, overall, this PC has been doing this thing, bro. From the 4K editing to the 4K gaming, this thing has been killing it every step of the way, bro. Like, this build passed the test with flying colors. You feel what I'm saying? Like, bro, hey, if you on the fence about getting the PC, then I highly recommend it, bro. Even though I'm still beefing with this keyboard and mouse situation, hopefully we can resolve that soon. Other than that, bro, I highly recommend everybody who can afford it or who can do it, get a PC, bro. And if it's your first time, you can do it. But remember, this is my first time. This is my first PC build. Is it perfect? Probably not. But for me, I love this shit. It's perfect. Everything that I needed to do has been done with flying colors. So technically, I guess that's perfect. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. If y'all watch this video all the way to the end, please comment banana bread so I know that y'all watched the video. If y'all do, y'all cool. Y'all one of the ones. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Holla! Stop doing that, bro. That's so corny.